Intel ramping up its battle with NVIDIA today by backing what could be the biggest IPO this year. That is the focus of today's Tech Check with Deirdre Bosa. Morning, Dee.
Carl and Sarah, latest developments that could get Masayoshi Son closer to that blockbuster Arm IPO that he has been hoping for and been so focused on. Now, one, the semi space continues to be on fire this year thanks to the generative AI hype cycle. Two, Intel as a potential anchor investor. Reports this morning say that Intel is in talks with SoftBank to be a strategic investor to anchor the listing. Masa Son could then go to other investors and say, hey, look, a rival is invested in Arm's success. For Intel itself, this is interesting, too. After a decade of decline, it's losing business to huge customers like Apple, seeing delays in next-generation chips, losing market share to AMD, cutting its dividend earlier this year. So part of Pat Gelsinger's big turnaround plan is building a foundry business. That is the actual manufacturing of chips, not the design. So while it could continue to struggle to develop, to sell its own processors to big tech like Apple, it could partner with Arm on the back end, helping to manufacture those chips that Apple, Google, Meta, Amazon, and others are developing in-house with the help of Arm's cutting-edge design and licensing IP. It's a lot to follow, but in a convoluted way, Intel could continue to work with the most important tech companies through Arm in a different capacity, making its participation in an anchor investor an interesting strategic move. The key question, though, is how would Intel investors feel about this? Arm is expected to raise as much as $10 billion in a listing, and that is significantly more than the total amount raised in all of IPOs, the entire IPO market this year. So being an anchor investor, that would require a significant investment by Intel, and coming after it cut its dividend earlier this year. It could be seen two ways. One, it could be seen as getting in at the peak if this generative AI hype cycle does not prove sustainable, it doesn't last. Or if there is further room to run, it could be a positive. Intel could be getting into what's known as the Switzerland of chips. It occupies a very strategic place, just as it is hitting public markets and as chip interest grows amid this hype. So all of that, guys, depends on how much the market will value Arm when it does debut. Early indications, though, Intel investors not upset about this. The stock is up nearly 2% today. Could have gone the other way.
What do you hear about valuation for Arm, Deirdre?
So Arm is reportedly looking at a valuation of somewhere between $30 billion and $70 billion. That has been reports. But let's say you take the 10 biggest members of the SOX ETF, that is the benchmark semi ETF. They trade at an average of 20 times 2023 revenue. So that would imply an Arm enterprise value of $30 billion. That's pretty good. But Intel trades a lot higher than that. So it's all about how Arm can sell itself. As I said, occupies a very unique space that helps the mega caps design their own chips in-house. And that is what Masa Son, of course, has been concerning himself with. Remember, guys, he stepped back from the day-to-day operations, the earnings call for SoftBank, because he needs to get this IPO out. It needs to be a success for him and SoftBank.